Hello guys, my name is Prince and this is Math Center. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Post your comments and questions on my social media handles and I'll respond to it. We are still on the topic linear inequalities. In the previous video, we looked at an example on type 2 of linear inequalities. In this video, we are going to consider another example. So let's take the question. Find the truth set of the linear inequality 14x plus 30 is greater than or equal to 2x plus 6 if x belongs to the set -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Illustrate your answer on a number line. Now this question looks a little bit different from the ones that we've been doing. So we are going to break them into parts, then we will solve it. So let's consider the first part. The first part says that we should solve the inequality given to us. That one we are familiar with it. So let's do it. So let's solve the first part. We are supposed to find the truth set of the linear inequality, and that's what we are going to do. So here is the inequality. 14x plus 30 is greater than or equal to 2x plus 6. We group like terms as we've been doing all along. So if I'm grouping like terms, as I said, I always want to keep the terms with the variables on the left hand side, then I'll keep the terms without the variables on the right hand side. So I'm going to have 14x minus 2x is greater than or equal to 6 minus 30. You've done a lot of these examples, so you should be conversant with grouping like terms by now. 14x minus 2x will give us 12x greater than or equal to 6 minus 30 will give us minus 24. When we get to this level, we say that you divide through by the number attached to the variable. So here the number attached to the variable is 12. So we divide both sides by 12. Now because we are dividing through by a positive number, the sign of the inequality, the direction of the inequality will not change. It will be the same because we are dividing through by a positive number. 12 will cancel 12, so you have x here, minus 24 divided by 12 will give us minus 2. So we've solved the inequality. We solve it and we got x is greater than or equal to minus 2. Now let's move on to the next part of our question. The question says that x belongs to this set. So this is the set given us. The set given us is this set, and what the question is telling us that this value or this answer that we have here, the answer x, it belongs to this set. What that means is that x is greater than or equal to -2. Under normal circumstance, that is a range of values. It means that all numbers greater than or equal to -2. But the question is telling us that this x belongs to this set, so the answers can be found in this set alone. So if you want to find the truth set will be values in this set that are greater than or equal to -2. I hope that is clear. In the previous examples that we were finding, a set was not given to us, so our answers will go on up to infinity. But here the set has been defined for us. The set is telling us that the value of x that you find is in this set. So what this means is that the answers for x are numbers in this set that are greater than or equal to -2. So if you want to find the truth set of this inequality, it is numbers in this set that are greater than or equal to -2. So you list the numbers in this set or the members in this set that are greater than or equal to -2, and those members are -2 itself. Since it's greater than or equal to -2, -2 will be included. So -2 itself, -1, 0, 1, and 2. Remember that -3 is not greater than -2. So the members in this set that are greater than or equal to -2 are -2 itself, -1, 0, 1, and 2. So the truth set is -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. So we've dealt with the second part of our question. Now the last part says that we should illustrate our answer on a number line. We should illustrate our answer on a number line. Here, our number line is pretty defined for us because the set has been given us. So from -6 to 2. So you draw a number line that contains all these members. So from -6, from -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. So you draw a number line that contains this set. Now we have to illustrate this truth set on this number line. The truth set is -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. So what you do is that you go onto a number line, then you draw circles on those numbers. So you draw a circle on -2, then you shade it. You draw a circle on -1 and you shade it. You draw a circle on 0 and you shade it. You draw a circle on 1 and you shade it. Then finally you draw a circle on 2 and you shade it, to indicate that those are the answers to our inequality, or those are the solution to our inequality. So it's pretty simple. If the set is defined for you, your answer is going to be the members in the set that satisfies the answer that you got in the question. So here the answer you got was s is greater than or equal to -2. So what this means is that the answer to this inequality are members in this set that are greater than or equal to -2, and those members are -1, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. And this is how to illustrate it on the number line. Thank you very much for watching this video on type 2 of linear inequalities. Pick more examples on type 2 of linear inequalities and try your hands on them. In the next video, we are going to consider how to solve the third type of linear inequalities. Bye-bye.